Hey, what's up guys? We're gonna see how cool is this DJI Mic Mini. This is the wireless microphone in the normal microphone from the camera, and how it is to use this. You see the differences. Here's the package. I love how DJI package all of their stuff. Really nice detail in there. You guys can see. Let's keep opening this. First we got my camera as well and the battery pack. Really nice little case. Press to unlock. Take this out, I guess. Put it here. And here we got. No, that's really cool. So, yeah. It's really nice how they package everything. Mini microphones, really nice little clipping here. Second one, really cool design. I'm not sure if you can actually see it. This, well, we have the cables. So it's got a USB to USB-C cable adapter and some old jack, microphone jacks. That's cool. And in here we should have covers. That's really soft. Good. Two of them are kind of when you are in the wind and you need to muffle or get all the air from what you're getting in your microphones. Really nice.